You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names, including biblical names, Hebrew names, Spanish names, stay tuned. I've got tons more that I'll link to at the end of this video. It comes from Spanish and it's derived from Yahweh, meaning salvation. The Spanish pronunciation is Esai. Esai. Now in English it's more often pronounced as Esai. Esai would be the more common English pronunciation, or Esai. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.